In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a website with Hostinger in just a few minutes. Whether you're starting a blog, a personal project, or a business site, Hostinger makes it simple. Let's jump right in. First, open up your browser and head over to Hostinger.com. The platform is designed to be beginner-friendly but still powerful enough for advanced users. Next, log into your Hostinger account. If you don't have one yet, just click sign up and follow the prompts. It usually only takes entering your email and creating a password. Once logged in, you'll be on the dashboard, also called H-Panel. This is your main hub for everything hosting related. From the left-hand menu, click on Website, then select Add Website. This is where we actually start building your new site. Now click on Create Website. Hostinger will guide you step by step, so even if you've never built a site before, it's really straightforward. If you don't already have a domain, you can choose the option, Use Temporary Domain. This lets you get your site online right away and test how it looks before committing to a permanent domain name. Once your site is created, you'll be able to pick from customizable templates, drag and drop elements, and other tools to make it truly your own. And that's it. You've just created a fully working website on Hostinger in just a few minutes. From here, you can personalize your design, add content, and get your site ready for the world. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials on building and managing your online presence.